continue from within this part 2, we will do this called spocket wheel. So that is like more realistic, real wheel in the reality. But if we don't use this loop, consider is how you can do this. You need to do the external 2 circles and then do the cylinder one by one. But now we have our powerful weapon with 4 loop, so we can do this together on this exercise. So let's examine that. It looks like it's the round from the external and the inner is 2 cylinder, and we use difference we can cut for this ring. And then we should have our cylinder here, then consider loop. 4 loop is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Using this circular, we can try to make the rotate and let this to draw this way and inside this ring. So that is some basic thinking. Let's starting to do this work. So first, let's see. So give the variable of different default value of 12, 5, 5, 7. So this radius is 12. So let's do this ring. So let's save. Yeah. It's better to create a new file and save. We're now on the number 8. So nothing here. And what we will do is we will do our module. Spocket wheel. We will have this perimeter. So radius equal to 12, and the width equal to 5 by default, and the thickness, the width is this width, thickness is this thickness. Oh, we will double check the usage of that, and then number of spokes. So they, yeah, we use this way. So 7, and then spoke radius 5, 1.5. So we have our perimeter. So then we will do the first thing is first we will do the ring. So ring. Just consider if we don't read those, is a ring will have this cylinder. It's the HRR. So H you can consider is H is equal to width. R is radius, and the center equal to true. So now we have our first cylinder, and we need to call spoke wheel, and we should have this one. So make that bigger. And then we should have another one. And use the difference. if we use we don't change this, then that will be the no difference. So if we do this, because that's the same, so difference is the R should be the inner radius. So inner radius, how we can count is we should give our internal variable radius minus thickness divided by 2. Then we use this inner. So if we render that, you will see this. So, but just for ensure is this is the -1, because if we see you just use the exact same ways to cut the earlier one, that may not be ensure is when you can make that into the actual 3D printing, that can possible still have our cover there. So you need to make sure is your internal or your shape as a knife is a little bit higher than the longer than your external one. So that is the thing is we normally like that. Remember that minus 0.001 for two box, two cube to put their edge exactly together. So this we need to add 1 so that you have this cut directly, the exact for those. So this is the ring of spoke. So we now have ring. Next code is we will draw some the inner part. So let's make this horizontal. So let's save this. It's on 9. And we will have this horizontal. So within this part, we need to draw our those inside the cylinder. So that we call that is the spoke. So we already have the ring. So now is the spokes. So spoke is the length. Length is radius and the thickness minus the thickness. So let's do this spoke. First, we know the length is radius minus thickness divided by 4. So that is ensure you are not just radius minus thickness. Your cylinder should inside into this the ring. So, and then we have our for loop to be defined. Step is we have our numbers of spoke. Then this is 360 divided number of spokes. Then we have our step. Now we have our 4 I equal to from 0 step 359, and we have our code here inside, and we put our angle. If you don't use this angle equal to I, then you can continue use your I. So and then we do this rotate. Rotate is every time is this because if you have a cylinder is in this Z axle. So first you need to ensure on Z you have this angle, the rotate, and then you should have this Y. You always have this Y is with this rotate. So 0, 90 angle, and then you give a cylinder, and this cylinder is H. We already have is this spoke length we already defined, and R is spoke radius. So what we get is this one. So if we just have a look, so you can see. So that is what we have done. So we will also be able to have this FN 100. Then you can see you get our smooth this spoked wheel. And the last thing, we need to make that rotate. So to finish our spokes wheel. So now let's save as the number 10. It's just a spoke wheel, not horizontal, because when we assembly this into the car, they should be on the vertical part. So last thing is we put all inside and rotate. Rotate is on X. So that is the 90, 0, 0, and put this outside. So rotate, we have yeah, let me put that here. So on the X. So that is our rotate. So and for next one, we will try to use our this wheel to make our the luxury car. So let's continue with the next video. Thank you for watching.